Hello guys, welcome to the channel Code Ouch, where I will be teaching you the coding in easiest way possible. Today we'll be learning implementation of JWT security in the REST API. To begin with, you will need to add these dependencies. Let's start with Spring Boot starter security. Next, add JWT API dependency, add JWT IMPL dependency, and finally add JWT Jackson dependencies. After adding this dependency, we will create a class named JWT util. You can name it any name, in which we will need to build JWT token. We don't need to add these two lines, so let's get rid of them. You need to add a method for generating the token. Parameter can be email or username in your case. The second method will be for validating the token. Next, you will need to create a file for authentication filter, where API will be filtered out and will be validating if it has proper token or not. API will be checked for bearer token, and that token will be validated by the method we created earlier. Finally, we will hold them in a security context folder if all looks good, and then apply the filter. The final and last part is to add the configuration for the security. For this, we need to create a security config file. It should be annotated with the @configuration annotation. Also, it should extend web security configurator adapter. You need to auto-wire this filter class that we created over here and override the configure method. The anti-matcher will exclude the API from getting validated, so all the API here will not be required token from client and can be accessed directly. If you are getting course error, you will need to add this line as well. Finally, apply the filter. Let's start the server and see. As you can see, we are getting response successfully from the API user home, as it has been excluded from the authentication in the security configuration. Now let's remove the API and restart the server. And here we are now getting error, as it now needs bearer token and can't be hit directly by anyone. The error itself says forbidden. So we have successfully implemented JWT token and secured our API. Let me know if you have any questions.